Hi friends, any idea what this could be? It's something that's cold and falls from the sky and it's white. You're gonna keep your paper closed. You're gonna get your scissors on your finger with your thumb and your forefingers below. And you're gonna cut on the lines. Hold it with your other hand that you do not use to cut. So you're gonna turn the page. There's several different designs, so I don't know which one's gonna make it home to you, because remember, snowflakes are not always the same. So I have to see which one comes to your house, to your home, to where you live. So move that aside, and when you open it up, it is a beautiful snowflake. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How would you like to decorate your snowflake? Any way you want. Crayons, markers, glitter, any way your parents say it's great. Any kind of things you have at home to decorate it. Newspaper, have fun with it, friends. You can fold it back up or leave it open. Bye, friends.